If you are a Nigerian, whether you are self-employed or you are unemployed, tax identification number become a compulsory thing every Nigerian need to have before the deadline of 2026 January 1st. And in this video, if you do not have a tax ID before, I'm going to show you on how to easily get your tax identification number online without visiting any tax administrator office in Nigeria. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to the search right here and type in tin.jtb.gov.ng. Hit on search. So it's going to take you right here. TIN verification portal, access TIN verification registration system, register for TIN non-individual, register for TIN individual. So you can choose any of the two options right here. Now, if you are non-individual, click on non-individual register, then you will be taken to registration page right here. So non-individual register, select organization type. So you have to click on here, choose the type of business you have. Whether you are incorporated trustee, limited guarantee, partnership, private limited company, etc. These are for non-individual. So let's go back and go ahead and check on individual. So go back and come back right here, click on register for individual. So when you click on register for individual, it takes you right here. Please ensure the BVN detail enter here corresponded with your BVN slip. So this is for non-individual. Now, non-individual are people that do not have business. They are just a self-income earners. So what you need right here is your BVN, your date of birth, your first name, and your surname, and then click on I'm not a robot and hit on search. So with that, a TIN identification number is going to be generated for you based on your BVN and your name that you enter right here. The most important thing here is that your BVN right here must be corresponded. Whatever name you enter right here need to be corresponded with the name you have on your BVN. And the date of birth must be the same date of birth you use when you are doing your BVN. Okay, so these are the information you need. So fill up the information. Once you fill up everything right here, hit on search and you'll be generated a tax identification number. So the number can be used to submit to any bank of your choice for opening of a new account or continue to operate your existing bank account starting from January 2026. This is a new law by Nigeria Tax Administrator that every Nigerian needs to comply with, provided that you are not a minor. Whether you are doing, provided that you are not a minor, you are self-employed, or you are working private limited liability company, etc. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.